Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3, the three questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Yesterday we have seen that bearded means. Yesterday we have seen the Miss King was forgive to the bearded man, and also means he was very glad. He was very happy because it had made the peace with his enemy so easily, and that's why he offered him to means that bearded man offered him to serve all his life for the king, and that's because of that king was very happy, and he also said that to the his men and his own physician, they will attend to him, they will take care of him, and he take the leave from the bearded man, and he meet to the hermit, and that time hermit was sowing the seed in his bed, and that time king last time he approached to the hermit and said, I pray you to answer of my questions, wise man. Now next. You have already been answered, said the hermit, still crouching on his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. And hermit, when king asked when king said to the about his three questions answer, that time hermit said to the king, you have already been the answer. Means you have already got the answer of these three questions, said the hermit. Still crouching on his thin leg, and he was still crouching. Crouching means bending. He was bending on his thin legs and looking up at the king who was stood before him. What do you mean? Asked the king. But king did not understand what the hermit said, and that's why he asked, what do you mean? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you would not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. Means, do you not see? Means, hermit said to king, if you would not pity my weakness yesterday, means yesterday king was pitied the weakness of hermit, and he helped to dug his bed to hermit. And if you not pitied me and you gone back, then you will kill to that bearded man. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds, and that's why it was the most important time. Which is the most important time? When king was digging the beds. If he was not digging the bed, and if he would gone back, then he would means kill to that bearded man. But he was pitied to the hermit, and he was digging the beds. That time, that's why hermit said that it was the most important time. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. And I was means also he said that most important time is that when you are digging the bed, and most important man I am means hermit, and do me good was your most important business. And afterward the most important time was when you are, and again most important time means also hermit explain the most important time when you were attending to that man, and when means king was attending to that man, and he bandaged to that wound of that man. When you were attending to that man, for if you would not bound this wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. If you would not bound means bandage to his wound, he would die without having made peace, and there was not getting the chance to make the peace with your enemy. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business, and whatever you do for him, it was the most important. Means whatever king was help to the bearded man. That was the most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important now. It is the most important time because it's the only time when we have any power. And also, if you have any power, that also it is your most important time. The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, and most necessary person also you are, means you are the most important person. For you do not know whether you will ever have dealing with anyone else, and the most important thing is to do this person good, and you made that person good, means because of you that person's approach is change, and that's why, means it is the most important thing to do for this person good, because for that purpose alone were you sent into this life, and because for that purpose alone were you sent into this life, and because of that purpose only alone you were sent to his life. And like this way, hermit means said to the king, means he got the, means with his whatever he do, whatever he help, whatever means it is not, he was not doing these things for anyone tell, that's why, but he do these things, मीन्स उसने जो किया वो अपने आप से, मतलब उसने बॉडी लैंग्वेज से किया, मतलब ऐसे किस उसको किसी ने रहा, किंग को किसी ने भी बताया नहीं कि ये करना चाहिए, वैसे ही मतलब जो भी हम भी जो भी करते हैं, और मतलब जो अच्छा टाइम होता है, जो तुम लोग मतलब तुम्हें भी स्टूडेंट्स, जब तुम भी अच्छे तरह से होमवर्क करते हैं तो वो अच्छा टाइम होता है, जब तुम्हें रिजल्ट मिलता है तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग होती है. Like this way, in king's life also there was this, means only with the action he got his answer, answer of his 3 questions. Okay. Hermit means he did not give the answer of his 3 questions, but approximately whatever the king had done with his action, he got the answer of his 3 questions. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the exercise. Thank you. Everyone write the hard words meaning in your notebook and beside questions.